The most important thing in today's focus is understanding the Bible. The Bible is the key book that transcends countries in the world. It tells us the way in which the world is headed. Quick Study TV is designed to make the book the premier document. We do that through many ways. One of the primary ways is through media. Now, the Bible is a 32-page print companion every month that is unique in presentation. Every guide is original or new. No guide is the same. We recommend that you get a copy of this today. Write to P.O. Box 150, Murrysville, Pennsylvania, 15668-0150. In Canada, write to P.O. Box 456, Orangeville, Ontario, L9W5G2. You can call us on the phone and reserve your copy today. Call 724-733-8336 or 519-940-8338. And remember, you can get a hold of the Bible commentary on the website, BibleDiscoveryTV.com.